see how to buy Dogecoin from Binance with zero fees. And I chose Binance as it's the number one platform. So there's a link in my bio. You can sign up from there, or just type binance.com and you can sign up from there too. So let's see. First of all, I'm thinking you are a complete beginner, so I'll tell from the beginning. First, you have to add money and go to add funds. Of course, you have to create the account. It's pretty simple. Just add your details and you will get an email confirmation and just confirm it. That's it. And go to add funds, and we can go to P2P trading or buy with USD. I'm choosing buy with USD as it's the simplest one. You can simply buy from your card. You can simply type the USD amount you want and continue. And then after you buying the USDT, it will be shown here in the overview spot trading alert. Here you go. There's 52 USDT. So then you have to go to trade. Then there are two options which we can buy from Binance. First one is convert and the second one is spot. Convert means we can directly convert. Let's see. Just go to convert, and then it will be converted from the market value itself. So if you say like 52 USDT, I chose the max, and then to Dogecoin. Then you can see there won't be any fees. Like I said, the transaction fees is zero Doge. So that's one way. But if as you are a beginner, I am recommending you to go to spot and buy it from there. In the spot version, we have to choose the from this one, the USDT Doge pair. Just simply search Doge USDT, then it will come up, and then there are few options also here also: limit, market, stop limit, stop market, etc. Basically, limit means like we can select. I'll show you. Let's see. I need to buy from here at 0.15892. Then go to limit and choose the price as 0.1582, and then amount of Doge, simply select it, and like that we can buy Doge. But like I said, the estimated fee is 0.282825 Doge. So that's the thing, guys. We'll have to pay a trading fee for if you are doing with the spot trading option, but as we are investing, I'm guessing this is the best way, even though there will be a little fee. Also, if you are completely new to crypto, please don't buy a sap like the YouTubers said, like go and buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, etc. Just simply do your research, because as of now it's in a bull market, so it's around all-time high, etc. So we shouldn't buy in all-time highs. We should stick to like in the low margin, then we can profit in the bull run, in the next bull run, of course. So apart from the other topics, let's see how to buy Dogecoin. Finally, I selected the Doge USDT, and if you are buying from the limit, there it will take some time. So as you know, we can choose the price of the USDT. It will fill up. Let's say if we chose 0.1582, it will fill up after Dogecoin hits that mark. So it will take some time. So as for the video, I'm choosing convert as it's zero fees. I already selected Doge, but we have to choose USDT and then to Dogecoin. All right, and then hit max and then trade, and you can see as like I said, zero Doge transaction fees, and then it's done. Then we have to go to wallets, not the overview but the spot wallet, and then here we go. It will be shown that 50.98 USDT worth of Dogecoin has been bought. Here's that. Also, after you bought the coins, any coin like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, etc., uh, it's better to transfer it to a cold wallet, such as Ledger wallet, because it's, as for this time there are lots of scams. So if you are holding for dear life, I mean, like, if you're holding for a long time, if you are willing to hold for a long time, I strongly suggest you to buy a Ledger wallet or any wallet, but I'm recommending the Ledger wallet. I'll put the link. Actually, it's an affiliate link and it will support the channel. You can buy it from there. Just simply click the link and you will directed to this website. There are a few wallets. This is the high-end one, I guess. Yeah, high-end one. No, this one is the high-end one. But I just have the basic one, which is this one. It's pretty simple. So if you are in a good budget, then you can go for a high-end one, which of course have so much features than this. Or also, if you are uh, plan to use the wallet every day, likewise, then it's better to get a good one like that. It has a touch screen, customizable wireless charging, etc. Because these small ones are a bit of an hassle, but it do the job. So I strongly suggest you to buy something like a cold wallet, so then your crypto assets will be safe. And you can simply do a research also, but according to my knowledge, ledger wallets are the best in the market. So that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. See you again in the next video.